Hey, what's going on? Short little quick video here. Just something kind of neat. So, my mom and my brother, not the Kevin brother that you all know, the other brother that doesn't do YouTube stuff, they're on a flight right now to London. They're going to do a whole British Isles cruise for a week and a half, 2 weeks, something like that. So they were flying from Chicago to London on a 787. I happen to build 787s for the Boeing company. So I asked Mom to get me a picture of the tail number. I could look it up, see, maybe it's one that I worked on. So, N812 Alpha Alpha comes back as a 787-8, so it's our smallest model. 276 passengers, something like that. It was delivered late December 2015. So it was definitely a bird that I would have worked on, because they don't do Dash 8s in South Carolina, and I'm in Washington. So I remember working on several American Airlines planes. So it's one that I worked on. So, and the neat thing is, get you flipped around here. Got FlightAware up. It's a neat little tracker. That's where they are right now. Over about halfway over the Atlantic Ocean. So, hi Mom, hi Cliff. Well, they probably can't see because they're looking out the windows out the side, and I'm looking down on top of them. So, but yeah, supposed to land 7:51 a.m. London time. I don't know what that is. Well, it says they've got 2.5 hours, 2 hours 24 minutes remaining. So it's 8:30 now. So it'll be 11 o'clock our time by the time they show up. So actually about probably 10:51. It says they're on time. So cool. So that's they talk about that at work when you're building these planes. Could be your friends, your family flying on it. I've got 2 family members flying on that right now. So it's one of the birds that I worked on. Probably sidewalls, stow bins. Call them strongbacks, or the framework for the stow bins. The dimmable windows, the electronic dimmable windows, because we don't have window shades on the 87. We've got a little push button to darken and lighten the window. Probably would have done, maybe not door 1 galley. That was probably day shift, so probably door 2 and door 4 galley. May have helped load a couple of the lavatories. Yeah, I might have done some floors on that one. Don't know. So that's kind of cool. So just a quick little useless update video. Got my mother flying on one of my airplanes. So it's gonna be all right. Yeah. So okay, we'll catch y'all on the next one. Talk to you later. Bye bye. I forgot to mention, I just scrolled at the bottom of the page, they're traveling at 38,000 feet at 610 miles an hour, whatever that is in knots, I don't know, but they're moving right along. So, have a safe trip. See you when you get back.